of the key things about how I think the world is moving in the future is that this is moving beyond having to use privacy preserving technology as a compliance need, but also a strategic advantage to enable new business models, new monetization. And I think there's kind of three key areas that we've seen that really kind of help highlight this. One is companies are starting to think about how they can use these privacy preserving technologies and embed different types of AI, ML workflows into that. Meaning, how can they help support model fine-tuning or model training with data where you don't want to give access to any of the underlying raw data? The second is really moving and expanding beyond just pure marketing use cases. We've seen this type of technology, in particular the Databricks clean room, being used for fraud detection, loan approval optimization, and that kind of healthcare clinical trial use case that I mentioned before. So we're seeing a lot of opportunities to think more broadly and open the aperture of how data can be monetized with privacy preserving technologies for other use cases. And last, and I think really the most exciting one that I'm seeing now is prior that we've seen a lot of privacy preserving technologies, in particular clean rooms, being used for two parties to collaborate on data where they didn't want to expose the underlying raw data. But now as we're moving forward, one of the things that we're starting to see a lot of interest from our client base on is the ability to use multi-collaborator engagement, meaning 3 or more parties can leverage this privacy preserving technology, collaborate on their data without actually exposing that raw data to reduce the risk, but really drive more interesting insights by bringing together even more and more data sets in a more time efficient and privacy preserving way.